When choosing a security camera system for your home, it's easy to get caught up in comparing camera features like resolution, sound, and view angle. But the truth is, you don't need a wide-angle camera to detect intrusion effectively. In this video, we'll guide you through a survey to help you choose the right camera system for your needs and explain what truly matters. Before choosing a camera system, it's crucial to assess your budget, both for purchasing the equipment and for ongoing monthly costs. Next, ask yourself, who will be monitoring your property? If you're considering a professional monitoring service, then relax and skip the camera selection process. The service company will have its own requirements for the cameras it supports. However, think carefully about the longevity of your commitment, as monitoring services often come with long-term contracts and monthly fees. If you're not looking for a long-term commitment, then let's dive into the camera selection survey. Today we're just beginning this series of videos, so stay tuned for more insights on choosing the right system for your needs. The first question you need to answer is, what are your goals for video monitoring? For home security, one of the most important goals is monitoring unauthorized access. This means setting up cameras at entrances, windows, and other access points, then configuring motion detection and alerts. To define your camera's key features, think about the following questions. Need to catch intrusions at a specific time? Check out cameras with scheduling features. Want to monitor at night? Go for those with night mode. Thinking about an alarm sound? Look for two-way audio options. And hey, some nifty software like Banalytics uses Telegram Messenger for motion-activated alerts, unlike usual SMS or email notifications. Is it enough to catch an intrusion inside the house, or do you want to monitor any activity around it? If you want to catch intrusions at doors or windows, indoor cameras are your best bet. For broader coverage, like your front or backyard, outdoor cameras are the way to go. To wrap it up, focus on these camera features: motion detection, night mode, scheduling, and two-way audio. And don't forget about software with remote access and real-time alerts either via mobile apps or browser-based. These are the basic parameters you need for monitoring unauthorized access to your home. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into other surveillance goals and the parameters you should consider when choosing the best surveillance setup. Whether it's a cloud camera system, an NVR-based system, or a mixed-brand video management software-based system, we'll help you make an informed decision. Watch our video on surveillance approaches linked below to gain a better understanding of your options. Subscribe for more tips on enhancing your home security.